This is the news about 2015 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider, First Drive Review Part 3. You want to do what? Have you driven a Lotus Elise? Trust me, doing an interstate drive from Los Angeles to Texas won't be fun, so began the warnings to the buyer of my Lotus Elise. The hardtop will be bolted in, no wind in hair driving, there's no cruise control or spare tire. The radio sounds awful when it manages to find a station. There's hardly any of the following: sound deadening, suspension compliance, or seat adjustments. What? You're bringing your wife? Are you aware that the passenger seat is fixed in place, no adjustments? You'll be fighting by Palm Springs. She'll fly home from Phoenix, if she doesn't divorce you. Please consider shipping the car to Texas. Owning an Elise for 2 years makes you intimately aware of the car's shortcomings and limitations. But, on the right road, on the right day, it'll trigger a dopamine storm in your head so intense that you'll become awfully forgiving. You'll forget that on less perfect roads the Elise sounds like a shopping cart stacked with panes of glass. There's no car currently on the market more like the dearly departed Elise than the Alfa Romeo 4C Spider, and nearly all of the same warnings apply. It is our duty to make you aware of what you're getting into before you hand over $65,495 to the dealership for a 4C Spider, or decide to drive one halfway across the country with your spouse. We realize that you'll go ahead and get one anyway, and we applaud you. For more complete this news, go to source link on video description. Thanks for watching this video.